Hi class, let me show you how to use the IRR function in Excel to solve IRR problems. In this example, it involves the decision to purchase a new machine to replace an old one. Jones Corporation needs to purchase a new machine and has a choice of two machines that will provide the same function. Machine A costs 100,000 and would provide savings of 25,000 for the next 5 years. Machine B costs 75,000 and would provide savings of 20,000 for the next 5 years. The company's discount rate is 10%. The company's discount rate is the same as the company's cost of capital, and that is 10%. So let's next write our timeline here. So in year 0 we have our cash outflow, and then from years 1 through 5 we have our cash inflows for machine A. And the same thing we do that for machine B, where we have our cash outflow occurring in year 0, and that's 75,000, and then a string of cash inflows occurring from periods 1 through 5, and that's the amount of 20,000 per year for 5 years. So next let's select the IRR function in Excel. I'm going to click on cell B10, and I'm going to enter the equal sign so that I can highlight the function here. This function box will appear. I'm going to select the financial, and then I'm going to scroll down to find the IRR function. Once I click on the IRR function, I'm going to get this function arguments box. I'm going to click on this icon here, and then I'm going to highlight all the cash flows associated with machine A, from the negative cash outflow through the positive cash inflows. So I'm going to highlight cells B9 through G9 and enter. Here is the result, and I'm going to click OK. As you can see, my IRR for the first project for machine A is 7.93. Now I'm going to do the same thing for machine B. I'm going to enter the equal sign in cell B15. Then I'm going to click here on this fx function. The insert function will appear, box will appear, and then I'm going to scroll down and select the IRR. Click OK. These arguments will appear, and then I'm going to highlight once again all the cash flows associated with machine B. So from cells B14 through G14, I'm going to hit enter. I will see my result here, and I'm going to click OK. So based on the IRR model, we would say that the IRR for machine A is less than the cost of capital, the discount rate of 10%. That means that it costs more to borrow the money than the machine will return. Therefore, we need to reject machine A. We cannot purchase machine A because the IRR for the machine is less than the cost of capital. In contrast, machine B has an IRR of 10.42. This means that the machine will return more than the cost of borrowing the money and is therefore a good investment. So machine B has a cost of capital of 10.42, and that's greater than 10. So based on the IRR model, we should invest in machine B. That concludes this presentation, and I hope that this presentation has been beneficial for you. Thank you.